No, dude, we don't have enough money to buy that.
I got an idea. Plan 1. Shake it.
Press this guy.
I'm so tired. Plan 2. Cannon.
I don't want to do this.
Don't worry, Jack. You'll be fine.
This seems dangerous. I don't want to do it.
Just gotta fire over here. I'll try harder. Plan 3. Let's see what I have in mind. Okay. Money! Now I can buy it. Yay, 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 yay!
That hurt. I knew that didn't work. Now come on, let's go home. We have orange juice at home.
Oh, yeah.